Power and Wealth Bab 1951. Villa, ruang tamu lantai 1. Baru saja dikatakan bahwa Pei itu jatuh di langit, dan akibatnya, langit benar-benar runtuh dengan Pei itu, dan semua tetua di ruang tamu Fang melihatnya satu persatu. Hai, membuatku takut. Apakah ini benar-benar jatuh? Bagaimana jatuhnya? Dari mana Pei itu berasal? Hei, bagaimana Pei ini begitu familiar? Bukankah ini bermerek di siang hari? Masih ada satu yang tersisa, bukan di dapur. Sancha, apakah itu yang kamu beri merek? Ya, lipatannya adalah yang biasa kucubit, dan aku tidak salah. Menantu-menantu pasangan itu membicarakannya sekaligus, tetapi saya tidak mengharapkannya. Ini memang kue yang dipanggang oleh Fang Jia Sanzizi. Ketika Dong Suebin datang ke rumah lelaki tua itu pada sore hari, dia mencium aroma pei isi daun bawang. Dia juga melihat piring sisa di atas meja dengan daun bawang. Ketika kekasih anak kedua Fang mengatakan ini, Dong Suebin langsung memikirkan hal ini di benaknya. Saat ini, begitu banyak orang makan di sini pada siang hari, memasak pasti tidak bisa dilakukan lebih sedikit, tidak seperti itu, meskipun selalu menganjurkan ketekunan dan penghematan, juga menganjurkan sisa makanan setelah 4 jam nitrit. Makan tidak sehat, tetapi keluarga sangat besar, yang lebih muda dan yang lebih tua juga jarang berkumpul dan ayah makan, ini juga cara kondisi nasional dan gagasan tradisional, tidak bisa membiarkan semua orang makan cukup, tentunya lebih memang, ekstra itu pemborosan paling banyak, tapi masalah kesopanan yang paling mendasar jika tidak cukup makan. Ngomong-ngomong, Dong Suebin pergi makan atau hiburan sosial. Tidak mungkin tidak ada sisa makanan di atas meja. Sisanya setengah. Sangat normal, jadi Dong Suebin menggunakan stop untuk menghentikan waktu dan segera pergi ke dapur untuk menemukannya. Dia benar-benar menemukannya sepotong kue, masih cukup besar, jadi dia mengambilnya dan mengudara, muncul adegan, kue jatuh di langit. Efeknya terlihat bagus. Hei, aku terkejut oleh semua orang. Ada beberapa junior yang masih menatap langit-langit kosong dan menatapnya, tetapi setelah melihatnya lama sekali, saya tidak melihat apa-apa, saya tidak bisa memahaminya. Aku mengingatnya, gadis kecil yang bermain dengan Dong Suebin di sore hari menelepon. Apa yang terjadi dengan Xiao Mei? Apa yang kamu pikirkan? Seorang saudara laki-laki di junior memandangnya. Gadis kecil bernama Xiao Mei segera menunjuk ke Dong Suebin, Dong Ge akan menjadi sihir. Saya telah melihatnya online. Baru sebulan sebelumnya. Pesta investasi macam apa? Jelas saya tidak tahu apakah dia melihatnya sendirian. Junior lain juga membanting kepalanya. Aku juga mengingatnya. Keluarga Xie Jiafang adalah musuh yang mematikan. Demikian pula, perhatian timbal balik juga lebih besar. Tetua lain yang tidak mengetahui situasinya tiba-tiba menyadari bahwa itu adalah sihir. Meskipun saya tidak mengerti bagaimana Pai tiba-tiba muncul di sini dari dapur, saya tidak tahu bagaimana Dong Suebin bisa mengenal istri kedua. Jika Anda dapat mengejar ini, Anda dapat mengatakan bahwa apa yang jatuh di langit dan kemudian datang ke tangan seperti itu, tetapi jika mereka benar-benar dapat memahami, lalu keajaiban apa ini? Dong Suebin tersenyum dan berkata, sihir apa? Ya, ini bukan sihir. Kedua, saya baru saja mengatakan bahwa langit runtuh, dan langit benar-benar runtuh. Apa ini? Ini takdir, ini adalah pengaturan Tuhan, ini adalah acara besar yang membahagiakan, Tuhan tidak tahan lagi, itu akan membantu Xiaoling dan Xiaoran untuk mengatur pernikahan. Ini adalah takdir yang besar. Tuhan ditakdirkan untuk menjadi pasangan, lari saya tidak bisa lari. Dong Suebin memegang pai di atas piring dan mengocoknya di depan semua orang. Dia berbicara dengan tidak sabar dan sangat bersemangat dan bahagia. Rasanya seperti grup penjualan khusus di tahun-tahun sebelumnya, menenun orang untuk berbicara. Yang kedua tidak mengatakan apa-apa. Semua orang tidak memperhatikannya. Nasib kuning besar Anda, jelas bahwa anak Anda telah melakukan penipuan. Fang Laozi perlahan berjalan ke ruang tamu dan menatap Dong Suebin. Dia tiba-tiba tertawa, dan semakin dia tertawa, semakin dia tertawa. Hahaha. Bos Fang memberikan pandangan sekilas, ayah. Dong Suebin tersenyum dan berkata, kakek Fang, apakah menurutmu begitu? Fang Laozi tersenyum dan menatapnya. Cucu perempuan Xie Lao benar-benar layak menyandang nama itu. Kamu telah memenangkan hadiahmu. Dong Suebin berkata dengan rendah hati, siapa namanya? Saya punya nama apa saja, dan nama itu juga nama yang buruk, ya. Fang Jia mendengus dan berkata bahwa kamu masih tahu bahwa reputasimu tidak baik. Wen Shen Dong Suebin, banyak orang telah mendengar nama cucu perempuan Xie Jiada, yang semuanya berada dalam lingkaran-lingkaran. Dengan apa kamu bisa hidup? Hal-hal terkenal Dong Suebin telah didengar oleh semua orang. Apalagi mereka juga memiliki Fang Wenping yang dikenal sebagai perempuan bajingan. Dong Suebin dan kelima keluarga mereka adalah dua bajingan dan bajingan di bidang ini. Mereka pada dasarnya adalah penguasa orang yang bersembunyi. Fang Wenping tidak mengatakan bahwa itu adalah orang-orang di keluarga mereka. Semua orang melihatnya setiap hari. Anak kelima bahkan bisa menyekolahkan suaminya ke penjara. Bahkan orang-orang dari keluarga partai mereka mengatakan bahwa mereka akan memiliki aturan ganda, dan mereka tidak akan memiliki 5 orang tua. Dalam hal ini, Fang Laozi terkadang memusingkan putri kecil ini. Sekarang saya telah melihat Dong Suebin, yang terkenal seperti Fang Wenping. Keluarga Fang juga merupakan pemimpin yang mendalam. Lebih baik melihatnya. Ini benar-benar benar. Kemudian semua orang hampir mengerti, Dong Suebin, seorang menantu perempuan yang juga anak kecil, mengapa keluarga Xie begitu percaya diri memberikan tugas yang begitu penting kepadanya, dan dia bertanggung jawab penuh atas pekerjaan Dong Suebin. Metode anak-anak, yang kedua adalah pergelangan tangan dan kemampuan Dong Suebin untuk bekerja, cucu perempuan Xie ini benar-benar seperti rumor bahwa ada dua kuas. Fang Laozi melambaikan tangannya. Jangan katakan itu, buka makanannya. Hei, ayah, kamu di sini. Fang Jiada pergi untuk membuka kursi. The two sao and the three fufu lao 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 fufu 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 in the system. Fang Laozi is the middle aged leader director of the oldest AG. It is not much like he is still in the front line. But the father is the leader of the country business hospital. If he does not have this, the body has long since retired. At this level, the Political Rule Bureau Convention Committee has no strict retirement AG. It is not as strict as the retirement AG of ministerial level ministers. It is necessary to retire before the AG of the child has reached the level, but the body can do it. In theory, if the old man resigns and posts to another position after the change of the term, the old man will do the same if the body is okay. There is no disagreement in the charter at the AG of 100. Of course, no one will do this, for example. Fang Laozi was on the table, the boss, the second child, and so on, all sat down in tune, and no one called Dong Suebin, and then the juniors were also seated. This time, he saw that Dong Suebin's face was thicker. Even if no one greeted him, he looked at the pass with joy and saw that the chair was not enough. He grabbed a chair directly from the side and skazed to juniors. In the meantime, the hard-pressed man skazed in and sat down. Hey, dinner is too rich. It's just a big meal. It's right, Fang Grandpa, I am this. Is it appropriate for me to eat with you? After I finish the fake model, I stood up. I don't take myself as an outsider too much. You see it, I smell when I smell it. Oh, or else I won't eat it. It was standing up, but Dong Suebin did not move at all, and did not leave the chair. Don't eat, you are sitting on paralysis. Are you looking forward to eating this? Fang family are very admired Dong Suebin's mouth. It is really a smallpox. If Dong Suebin is guilty of guilty, they are still easy to do, and they are arrogant. What do they say to say that? But now Dong Suebin's smile is still very welcoming, which makes the family's family very innocent. He beat him. He pretends to be incomprehensible. Let him be polite. He still dares to climb up along the pole. I have never seen such a person. Fang Laozi pressed his hand and said, sit down, Xiao Dong, eat one piece, just don't know the habit of eating and not eating in our family, huh. Dong Suebin sat down again at the time and was busy saying, you are too polite, you must be used to it. You will taste it when you smell it. I taste this first. After eating a chopstick, I can't help but make a big splash. Rot, it's delicious. Hey, it's delicious. It's no wonder that your family's body is so healthy. It's so good every day, it's not good to be awkward. Too suffocating, whispered, who is with your family and your family. Orang Jingcheng lebih sopan dan antusias, dan ada juga aspek seperti itu dalam bahasanya. Misal beli bawang, tempat lain boleh langsung nanya ke bosnya, gimana jualan bawangnya. Banyak orang di Beijing masih bertanya, bagaimana kami menjual bawang. Sepertinya dekat, ini adalah gaya bahasa yang dipengaruhi oleh budaya daerah. Kata-kata Dong Suebin sebenarnya berarti demikian, tetapi banyak orang di Fangjia telah mendengar bagaimana menjadi canggung. www.metalnovel.com tidak tahan dengan antusiasme Dong Suebin. Dong Suebin mendengar kata-katanya dan tersenyum dan berkata, dua saudara perempuan, mengapa ini bukan keluarga? Anda lihat, Anda dapat melihat saya di luar. Xiaoling dan Xiaoran akan bertunangan dan segera menikah. Kita semua akan menjadi keluarga di masa depan. Pria. Yang kedua harus menoleh sedikit, siapa yang setuju? Dong Suebin bertanya-tanya, keluarga kami setuju. Anda baru saja berkata, Anda dapat mewakili seluruh keluarga kami, mengatakan bahwa selama langit runtuh, Xiaoran dan Xiaoling bertunangan, bukan? Ini bukan semua orang. Lihat, itu drop benar-benar jatuh. Kedua, keluarga tidak berbicara. Ini benar-benar tamparan di tempat kedua. Dia hanya mengatakan bahwa dia sombong, tetapi juga bermata merah. Baru saat itulah dia memiliki kepala dan berbicara dengan Dong Suebin. Siapa yang ingin ini benar-benar membodohi langit. Ah, Anda mengatakan apa itu? Dia tidak tahu bagaimana menjawabnya. Power and Wealth Chapter 1952. Di meja makan, suasananya tidak terlalu bagus. Di penghujung detik, dia membanting kepalanya dan berkata, saya baru saja mengatakan itu, saya harus pergi ke sana, bagaimana saya bisa mewakili seluruh keluarga? Dong Suebin berkata dengan takjub, apakah kamu bertobat? Berkata, langit runtuh, kata-kata saya adalah deskripsi, idiom, konteks adat dan semantik, tidak ada arti lain. Dong Suebin memandangnya dengan aneh. Tapi semua orang mendengarkan. Saya juga tahu bahwa ini adalah idiom. Saya menjelaskan bahwa ada hal-hal baik yang jatuh dari langit, jadi saya kemudian mengkonfirmasinya dengan Anda. Saya bertanya apakah itu hilang. Kue itu akan berhasil. Anda menjawab ya, dan mengatakan bahwa Anda dapat mewakili keluarga kami dengan kekuatan penuh, jadi Tuhan memberi kami kue. Bagaimana Anda menyesalinya sekarang? Saya tidak peduli, saya merasa kasihan pada Tuhan. Anda mengatakan bahwa langit sedang menonton, kami sangat bingung bahwa orang tua itu benar-benar tidak cantik. Kedua, berkata kamu tidak mendapatkan tahayul feodal tentang dewa dan dewa. Dong Suebin berkedip, saya tidak berpikir ini hanya tahayul, tetapi juga masalah kejujuran. Keluarga kami selalu melakukan hal yang benar. Kakek saya selalu mengatakan bahwa kakek istimewa dalam mendidik anak-anaknya, terutama, lupakan saja, jangan katakan apa-apa. Dua mata berkata, kamu masih belum bisa mengatakan cukup. Anak kedua, yang tidak terlalu suka berbicara, memecat dan menatap istrinya dan berkata, aku tidak bisa menahan mulutmu untuk makan. Tidak ingin memakanmu. Dua desahan, aku mengatakan dua kata. Aku ingin mengatakan bahwa kamu akan kembali ke rumah dan berbicara ke tembok. Anak kedua bermata dingin. Melihat sang suami benar-benar malu, saudari kedua juga mendengus dan mendengus, tidak mendengkur. Anak kedua mendongak, ayah, aku tidak mengaturnya, kembali dan katakan padanya. Fang Laozi memandang putri dari anak kedua, tidak berbicara, jelas, sang ayah tampaknya sangat tidak puas dengan kinerja istri kedua. Mereka adalah keluarga besar, bukan jenis keluarga kecil, meskipun lawan politik, orang tersenyum dan dengan senang hati datang untuk membesarkan kerabat, mereka harus tersenyum dan bertemu dengan bahagia, meskipun mereka tidak setuju dengan pernikahan ini, setidaknya harus pergi pengiriman yang baik, ini adalah jumlah ritual. Dong Suebin selalu penuh senyum sejak dia masih kecil. Dia sangat bijaksana. Bahkan jika dia memanjat sedikit lagi di sepanjang tiang, kata-kata orang lain dapat dijangkau, dan sikapnya sangat lembut. Mereka semua ada di tempatnya, dan mereka telah memalingkan muka berkali-kali, tetapi mereka telah jatuh. Fang Laozi turned his head and looked at Dong Suebin. Xiao Dong, it hot, Xiao Mei, give you dongge a la carte. Dong Suebin smiled and said, it's okay to come by myself, come by yourself, you can rest assured that I am welcome, huh. He was really welcome. After eating a few mouthfuls, he saw the third party and several juniors stare and poured wine. Dong Suebin also touched a bottle of Maotai. Good wine, can I taste it? The old tree siget, that can tang the tree uncles, hey, haven't drunk the Maotai of this bottle yet. At first glance, it is a special offer. Today, you can have a good fortune. Dong Suebin poured himself a cup. Boss also said, if you like to drink, go back and take a box for a while. How interesting is that, I will taste too. Dong Suebin began to drink and eat. Over there, Fang's father asked, why didn't Xiaoling come back to it? Xiaoling's mother took down Dong Suebin and said that, I just called the child and she said that she wouldn't come back to it. I made an appointment with my classmates. In fact, Fang Suiling's phone said that she was with Xieran in the home of his father. However, Xiaoling's mother did not dare to say this, but she changed her words. Fang Laozi nodded and said nothing. Fang Wenping did not speak from beginning to end. After the meal, she was the first to leave. She said that she did not say anything to the people on the table. She was very maverick. She sat on the sofa and tilted her legs to watch the news. Everione has long been accustomed to the old Vivis family name, and there is no feeling. After dinner, there are many things in the crowd, and they are all ready to go back. Xiao Dong, thank you for your kindness. Please come back today and say something to your family. Fang's boss solemnly said. The sky is dark, time is not too late. They think that if they send a visitor again, Dong Suebin will not be able to leave. However, they still underestimated Dong Suebin's rogueness. When he heard it, he got up from the chair. Just stepping down at the footsteps was as why, he stumbled out, almost fell, barely I was holding it on the sofa, and I sat up and squinted at my head. I can't do it anymore, drink too much, turn around in a hurry, and let me laugh at this thing, let Everione laugh. Xiaoling's mother said, what is it? The old tree said, would you like to find someone to send you home? Dong Suebin waved, it doesn't matter, don't worry about me, Everione should go back and go back, it's very busy, I just lie down for a while. Lying for a while, Everione is almost spurting blood. Don't you want to live here at night? I rely on, how much wine did you drink? Are you like this? Everione looked at Dong Suebin, and they didn't know what to say. It was incredible. The first time I heard that the other party did not agree, I could still rely on my face to live at the other party. Dong Suebin looked drunk and said, I can't help it. I can't help it. I am not in a state today. It is also a little shameful. Forgive me, what is it? My mind is a little dizzy and I don't know how to mention this bro. Otherwise, let's talk about it tomorrow. Talk tomorrow, hey, Hetece. You really want to stay, you? Fang was on fire, and he could not wait to kick him out. He had never seen such a rock person. Tetapi pada saat ini, Fang Laozi tersenyum dan berkata, Xiao Dong, kamu akan kembali hari ini, aku akan mengatur mobil untuk mengirimmu kembali. Sebelum kata-kata Dong Dongbin, ayah Fang mengatakan sesuatu yang mengejutkan, pertunangan Xiaoran He Xiaoling, ketika anak ketiga akan berbicara dengan keluargamu. Apa, ayah? Kamu ini. Banyak orang di Fangjia terkejut. www.metelnovel.com. Dong Suebin tidak menjawab, kakek Fang. Fang Laozi tersenyum dan berkata, hal yang baru saja keluar dari kue, karena sudah dijanjikan oleh keluarga kita, wajar untuk bertanggung jawab atas ini, seperti yang Anda katakan, mungkin ini benar-benar ditakdirkan, ya. Kedua, sibuk ayah, aku. Fang Laozi berkata, sudah diperbaiki, tidak perlu dikatakan. Ketika kata-kata itu keluar, anggota keluarga tidak berani mengatakan apa-apa, tetapi mereka benar-benar tidak mengerti mengapa ayah tiba-tiba berubah pikiran, ya. Itu tidak benar. Sebelum lelaki tua itu menolak untuk mengatakan apapun, bahkan jika dia menolak, dia tahu bahwa keputusan sang ayah pasti ada alasannya. Dong Suebin senang, dan sepertinya dia tiba-tiba bangun dan berkata, itu canggung, saya memberitahu keluarga saya, mari kita bicara kembali ke harga pengantin. Bab Kekuasaan dan Kekayaan 1953. Lebih dari jam 7. Hal-hal di sini sudah selesai, meski masih banyak hal yang harus didiskusikan, tapi setidaknya tugas Dong Suebin selesai hari ini. Dong Suebin, yang baru saja mabuk dan hampir tidur di keluarga Fang, juga berbalik. Semangat terguncang, dan lelaki tua itu mengatakan sesuatu untuk diajak bicara, dan orang tua Fang Suiling memiliki beberapa patah kata, dan wajahnya tidak merah hati, dan dia tidak peduli dengan mata aneh orang lain ketika dia melihatnya. Apakah kamu tidak mabuk? Anda bangun terlalu cepat, bukan? Several teenagers have turned their eyes, and some people do not understand how grandfather changed temporarily. They all went to the side of the father to ask. Grandfather, do you think about it? How can my sister marry to their home? Fang Laozi did not answer them. Dong Suebin saw it at the same time. Fang grandpa, elders, then I will be the first to go back. Let's go back and let Xiaoran discuss with my three uncles and three sisters. Hey, I don't want to look back, good things. Don't catch up latte, or else tomorrow, at noon, please ask the three uncles and three sorrows to appreciate the fest, where you can book the two places, wherever you are, go back to me and talk to my uncle, you all have a meal together. Do you think it is good? Dong Suebin is playing the outpost this time. To put it bluntly, it is to first test the attitude and meaning of a home. It is not really a matter of raising a relative. The child is not Tere. The parents are not Tere. How do you mention this? The things behind are not what Dong Suebin can do. The old couple did not say anything, but look at Fang's father. Fang Laozi said directly to them, okay, tomorrow at noon. That's awkward, haha, I am withdrawing. Dong Suebin turned and walked away. He just took a step but turned back, Everyone said, stay, don't send it, you are all family, you don't have to be so polite, look back. I have the opportunity to visit again, I am bothered today. Staying, who is giving you paralysis? They really didn't move, and they didn't send Dong Suebin's plan to go out. Who would have liked this to make Everyone stay, and he said that it would not be appropriate to send him. Finally, a small family stood up and sent him. Give you a driver. Dong Suebin waved, no, hehe, what is this wine? I have opened 200 miles. A few minutes later, Dong Suebin sat in his car. A taxi broke out of the villa. When Dong Suebin left, Fang's living room was also cleaned up a lot. Everyone felt that the air in the room was fresh, and finally sent the grandson away, blasphemy. Everyone finally asked why Dong Suebin has such a name. Really your mother is a god. The other side, Tang Yu, father, like the Fang family, today's elders of this family have gathered in the father's family since the morning. In addition to Xie Guobang and Xie Gujian, when they went out for dinner in the afternoon, they all came back. Others have been sitting with their family, chatting about politics and chatting about the shortness of their parents. Oh, more than 7 o'clock. Ji Li Fen frowned. Xieran restlessly sighed, how did the brother-in-law not come back? Xie Jingbling, would you like to call your brother-in-law? Not good, don't ask. Xieran grins, my brother-in-law is still not coming back. It must have been eaten at Xiaoling's house. The situation should be smooth. Otherwise, I will not stay with my brother-in-law to eat tere. 80% is like this, and I called my brother-in-law at that time. My brother-in-law also said that everything went smoothly. Xiaoling's family still stayed at home to drink tea. The brother-in-law also chatted with Xiaoling's mother about the TV series. Fang Suiling will be suspicious, no. My mom never watches TV shows. Han Jing smiled and debunged Dong Suebin. Small beans words, you can do it as soon as you listen. This kid has a so-speaking child, or the mother-in-law of Dong Suebin. Bell. Fang Suiling rang in his pocket. Look at Hos Kaling. Xieran is more anxious than her. Fang Suiling quickly touched the phone. Oh, my mom. Accepted. Xieran was slightly nervous. Fang Suiling looked at her elders in the living room. Although Everyone did not look at her, she left the door and took a call in the villa yard. Mom, Fang Suiling is alive and well. Xiaoling's mother is not cold or hot, what's wrong? Is not it full with their family? Is the sound so soft? Fang Suiling said, I am not worried about this, Mom, What happened on the other side? My dad Tei. Xiaoling's mother snorted. It's really a woman who stays in the country, grows up, her wings are hard, and her elbows are turned away. Is it true that you told me how many times you told me that you didn't listen to me? You have to talk to that Tang Yu, you just want to mad at me and your dad. Fang Suiling pretended with pity, no mom, I haven't listened to you before, what do you want me to take? I will take a college exam. Let me take a master's degree. I will take a master's degree. I have listened to you and my dad. I didn't disobey you twice. But this time is different. Mom, this is my lifelong event. This time, I have to listen to my own. The more you speak, the stronger your tone. Xiaoling's mother didn't talk, hey, Mom, I beg you. Fang Suiling said, you will talk to me at home, especially my grandfather. Your grandfather must pay attention. Xiaoling's mother said, well, where can I say it? I said, Xieran, that big brother-in-law has already said enough, I am bored. You said that Xie Huilan I have seen, so elegant and beautiful girl. How did you find such a husband? But this kid is really capable. Fang Suiling said, Mom, you mean? Xiaoling's mother reluctantly said, you and Xiaoran stings, the family agreed. Ah, really fake mom, don't you lie to me. Fang Suiling's eyes are red. My grandfather promise. Xiaoling's mother said, it's your grandfather's decision. What the asterisk is going on? Is not the home not happy? Fang Suiling Chan be channeled. Xiaoling's mother paused. Xieran, his big brother-in-law came here today. Originally, the family stone was fixed. He didn't let him enter the door at all, but this kid didn't know how to get it. It's clear that the outside blockade is very strict, but he even though God didn't know how to come in, he didn't leave the face, we didn't give up, but he just pretended not to understand, and now get happily with us, leaving tea and leaving for dinner. Finally, guess what? Actually, he still want to stay overnight, he can't say anything, no one. Fang Shuiling ledau said, Dongge is like that, very fun, then mom. Then the second wife is anxious, and you know the temper, you know, and you are with Dong Suebin, saying that unless you drop the pie in the sky, you will never agree with you and Xieran. I don't know how to get rid of the blind eye, and Madea snap, actually there was a pie falling from the sky, and almost gave you two. Petik 2. Xiaoling's mother said it with her, that's probably the case. When you are in the house, you are angry. If you say something about what happened to you at home, don't blame her for not recognizing people. Well, there are political considerations, many aspects. The reason, the father promised this, let me and your dad meet with his parents tomorrow and talk about engagement and bride price. Tomorrow, Fang Shuiling was amazed. Xiaoling's mother said, well, tomorrow. Fang Shuiling almost jumped up, Mom, I love you. That gimmicks. Anyway, even if the father promise, I still feel that this is not appropriate. Xieran, I just can't look at the kid, and you will definitely get angry after you marry them. If you don't believe, just wait, go to when you don't talk to your mother, cry, oh. The old man spoke. Xiaoling's mother also understood that things were irreversible and they could only accept it, but they certainly wouldn't let go of his family at the bride price. There is no such thing as a lottery. They don't like this. They chantang the family. They definitely have a lion's mouth. If Xiejia wants to disagree, it's still the best. Anyway, they don't want Xiaoling to marry. Inside the villa, Fang Shuiling is back. How? Xieran stood up. Xie Guoliang, they all look at the past. I saw Fang Shuiling with a smile on his face. My family promised, my grandfather agreed, my parents said that the two families would have a meal together, talk about it, talk about that. The girl is still holding a little. Speaking of this, Fang Shuiling also has a little red face. Xieran slammed his tea, great. Chili Fen Lauget and said, we want to fill in happy things at home. Xie Guoliang nodded and said, Xiaoran, you and Xiaoling go upstairs and say hello to the old man. Hey, Xieran pulled the hand of Fang Shuiling and hurried up the stairs. Han Jing is also very emotional. www.metalnovel.com. Well, it's so good. Look at the two children happy. Petik 2. Ibu Xieran, Xia Yanzhen, tidak pernah mengatakan apapun. Diperkirakan dia sama dengan Ibu Xiaoling, dan dia juga punya ide di hatinya, tidak terlalu rela. 10 menit kemudian, seluruh keluarga berkumpul di ruang tamu untuk membicarakannya. Ketika pintu luar terbuka, Dong Suebin akhirnya kembali. Ayah, ibu, paman, kakak laki-laki, 2 paman dan 2 saudara perempuan, untungnya tidak menghina, keluarga Xiaoling tidak masalah. Tapi melihat ekspresi bahagia Xieran dan Fang Shuiling, Dong Suebin juga tertawa, oh, kamu tahu itu. Itu saja. Han Jing tersenyum dan berkata, ini hal yang baik. Dong Suebin berkata dengan rendah hati, ini urusan keluarga Xiaoling, menghormati keputusan anak-anak dan tidak ada hubungannya dengan saya. Xie Haoyi tersenyum dan berkata, aku akan memberitahumu, siapa saudara iparnya. Apa yang dapat kamu lakukan jika saudara iparmu keluar dari kuda? Kamu masih tidak percaya padaku, hei. Petik 2. Dong Suebin berkata, kamu diculik untukku, ya. Power and Wealth Bab 1954. Rumah. Xiaobin, cepat masuk. Benar, kakak iparku memberimu sepatu. Saudaraku, aku akan menuangkan segelas air untukmu. Apakah Anda minum minuman atau teh? Apakah Anda ingin alkohol? Ketika Dong Suebin kembali dan memasuki rumah, dia hanya mengucapkan 2 kalimat. Xieran dan Fang Shuiling menyapanya dengan diskusi yang bagus. Dia memberi Dong Suebin sandal dan menuangkan air padanya. Dia sangat sopan. Dong Suebin sedang duduk di sofa di depan dan belakang. Dong Suebin melambai, jangan sibuk. Itu tidak akan berhasil, kamu harus minum mulutmu dulu. Xieran menyerahkannya. Dong Suebin juga haus. Dia mengambilnya dan menyesapnya, lalu meletakkan cangkirnya. Oke, kalian berdua duduk, sangat sopan. Fang Shuiling berkata, tentu saja, kali ini terima kasih. Dong Suebin tersenyum dan berkata, semua mengatakan bahwa saya memiliki sedikit hubungan dengan saya. Itu adalah perasaan keluarga Anda yang masuk akal. Saya baru saja mengatakannya di masa lalu. Orang-orang kemudian setuju. Siapapun yang melakukan hal yang sama, seberapa besar, oke. Jangan panggil aku, kalian berdua harus duduk dan sibuk besok. Menoleh ke Xie Guoliang dan Xia Yanzhen, paman bersumpah, itu dijadwalkan untuk makan dengan orang tua Xiaoling besok siang. Makan, lokasinya masih belum pasti, akan memberitahu Xiaoling pada saat itu, Anda lihat apakah Anda memiliki besar waktu bersamaku. Xie Guoliang menghela nafas, ada waktu. Xia Yanzhen berkata, Xiaobin, kamu telah bekerja keras. Saya tidak mengalami kesulitan. Saya pergi ke rumah Xiaoling untuk makan dan minum apa yang telah saya kerjakan dengan keras. Dong Suebin tersenyum dan berkata, anak-anak telah bekerja keras, dan kali ini mereka akhirnya datang. Fang Shuiling sangat menyesal melihat Dong Suebin, menggigit bibirnya dan berkata, di mana enaknya, ibuku baru saja meneleponku dan berkata. Xie Jing berkedip, apakah kamu tidak menyapa kakak iparmu untuk makan? Apakah kamu masih minum teh dan membicarakan serial TV? Tidak, sebenarnya keluargaku. Fang Shuiling tidak tahu bagaimana mengatakannya. Han Jingle berkata, apa yang saya katakan, Xiao Bin, anak ini, Anda dapat mendengarkan satu telinga, Anda tidak dapat menganggapnya serius. Dong Suebin covered, Mom, I am so unreliable, what? I admit that the situation inside is a little bit different from the scene at the time, but in general it is the same thing. But after a little bit of art processing. Xieran woke up, yes, what the asterisk is going on? How did your family agree? Fang Suiling sighed with gratitude, it's all Dongge, my family who was convinced by Dongge. I haven't had a good attitude toward Dong Suebin, but I was angry. I said something, unless I fell in the sky, I can agree to the trick. As a result, Dongge really let the sky fall off a pie. Ah, Xieran blinked, how did it fall? Fang Suiling shook her head. I don't know, my mother said so anyway. Xie Hao was excited at once. Hey, let's talk quickly, how do you get your brother-in-law? Can you really lose the pie in the sky? Dong Suebin wave, I am magic. Magic can understand. You don't know, my magic level is okay, huh. Xie Hao took a table, oh yeah. I knew that there was such a stimulating scene and I followed it. Fang Suiling conveyed to the original book that her mother told her, and cited the situation at that time. Xie Jingyi listened to her brother-in-law and even went to the Fangjia glutinous rice dumplings. Even in the end, she was still drunk and had to stay in the house. She was also happy. This is Turok, where is the mention of such a kiss? She really heard it for the first time, but think about it carefully. This is really something that their big brother-in-law can do. If Fangjia does not agree with Xieran and Fang Suiling's engagement, maybe their brother-in-law may actually live in Fangjia Villa. Going away, this kind of rock to the extreme, Dong Suebin did not have done it before, he really came to it. Xie Hao also lauget. Only a few elders heard a lot from it. Xia Yanzhen apologized a bit, Xiao Bin, let you be wronged. Dong Suebin smiled slightly, what is wrong with me? I mean, you can say a lot, what is this little thing? Fang Suiling also sighed, Dongge, I am sorry, I apologize to you for my family, I am really sorry. Dong Suebin took a corner of his mouth and sighed, if you do Xiaoling, you really don't get in the way. As long as you live with Xiaoran, you will be better than anything. Fang Suiling's eyes are a bit red, I'm sure, you can rest assured. Xie Guoliang looked at his son. I don't want to explain the things of the day. Just mention this time, you have to thank your brother-in-law, have you heard? Xieran sighed, that, I know. Of course Heos, and the family Os, who is Dong Suebin. What is the temper of a master? After falling over the plane. Killing the sea, stealing, smashing through the army camp, flying the leadership, even si Laozi has been pointed by his nose. It is a divine fearless master, but also a person who is very face to face. This time he went to Fangjia. He also thought that the family had definitely not given Dong Suebin a good face, but Dong Suebin's things for Xiaoran Xiaoling didn't even have a mouth, and they all smiled and laughed from beginning to end. Two words, Dong Suebin, Fangjia. The impossible things are all done for Xieran and Fang Suiling. This is a few of them. Xieran and La Fang Suiling, the trick is to give your brother-in-law a slap. Good. Fang Suiling and Xieran turned around and suddenly went down. Dong Suebin quickly got up and helped the two men's shoulders. www.metalnovel.com. Why are you doing this? Is it interesting? Petik 2. Xieran looked at Dong Suebin, brother, this is a must. We must be a county party secretary. The county must be inevitable, but also took time out to return to Beijing to help me and Xiaoling. For our business I also let you be wronged. I am really in my heart. Anyway, you will ask me for help in the future. Dong Suebin tersenyum dan berkata, saya harus membiarkan Anda membantu sekarang, dan memberi saya waktu yang baik untuk duduk. Jika Anda benar-benar ingin berterima kasih kepada saya, maka saya akan lebih baik dengan Xiaoling setelah paman saya, lebih berbakti, paman saya atau tidak. Jika Anda tidak terlalu mengkhawatirkan kedua hal Anda harus saling memahami dan mengasihani orang tua Anda. Pernikahan antara kedua pria tersebut membuat hubungan antara Xie Guoliang dan Xieran Fang Suiling semakin kaku. Kata-kata Dong Suebin dimaksudkan untuk kembali ke lingkaran. Xieran berkata, tentu. Xie Gujian tertawa senang. Xiao Bin ini, ketika sekretaris partai kabupaten benar-benar berbeda, hei, berbicara lebih baik dari sebelumnya. Dong Suebin Han berkata, dua paman, saya dulu berbicara dengan tingkat yang baik. Semua orang tertawa, dan suasana di rumah tiba-tiba mereda, dan peristiwa bahagia pun datang. Power and Wealth Bab 1955. Kali pertama, Minggu, agak terlambat untuk kembali dari lelaki tua itu tadi malam. Jaring dan Xieran berbicara dan mengobrol. Di pagi hari, Dong Suebin secara alami tidur dengan perasaan malas. Pada jam 10 pagi, dia mulai muncul dari kamar tidurnya sendiri dan kamar tidur utama lantai 2 si Jiking Kiao. Menendang selimut dan pergi tidur untuk mencuci. Cuci mukamu, sikat gigimu, ini akan menjadi lemparan, dan telepon di rumah berdering. Dong Suebin buru-buru mengambil handuk dan menyeka wajahnya dan keluar untuk mengambil penilaian di lantai 2. Keluarga itu sudah lama tinggal. Ponsel itu tertutup lapisan debu halus dan menyentuh Dong Suebin. Begitu bersih. Saya awalnya membeli ini untuk ibu saya, Xiaoping. Ibuku dan Yang Suer sudah menikah. Itu juga merupakan bakti bagi putranya. Tapi ibunya tidak hidup atau hidup. Dong Suebin dan Xie Huilan tidak ada di ibu kota. Rumah itu secara alami begitu kosong. Diperkirakan 365 hari setahun akan dapat hidup dalam 3 atau 4 hari. Itu juga karena beberapa orang memiliki sesuatu untuk dilakukan atau mengadakan pesta untuk menjaga Dong Suebin. Dong Suebin sendiri pada dasarnya tidak hidup, bahkan jika dia sesekali kembali ke Beijing untuk berbisnis. Saya masih terbiasa tinggal di halaman rumah. Ada banyak kebahagiaan tinggal di sana. Areanya luas dan masih pusat kota. Hei, siapa? Dong Suebin tidak menggunakan telepon di rumah, tetapi tidak ada siapa-siapa, tetapi dia tidak tahu siapa itu. Ini aku. Ada suara ibu mertua. Dong Suebin tersenyum dan berkata, Bu, apakah kamu bangun sepagi ini? Han Jing berkata sambil tersenyum, ini masih pagi, sudah lebih dari jam 10, apakah kamu baru bangun? Dong Suebin menghela nafas, saya sedang mencuci muka. Lagi pula, saya tidak terlalu ingin tidur larut malam. Saya memesan tiket pada jam 7 malam. Han Jingdao, apakah sulit untuk kembali selama beberapa hari? Dong Suebin tersenyum pahit, masih banyak hal di kabupaten ini. Aku benar-benar tidak bisa pergi. Lain kali, Bu, aku pasti akan menemanimu dan ayahku lain kali. Han Jing Siget, you are laughing with Huilan. I don't even have a speaker around me. I want to see my grandson and I can see it. Hey, forget it, now that you are busy, it's alright. At that time, Mom is complaining about 2 sentences. Often come back and look at it, right, you can come here at noon. Your uncle yelled at them and took Sieran to it and talk with Xiaoling's family about the engagement. And your uncle also went to the unit, and today we should have a few of them. Oh yes, Xiao Jing Xiao Hao also sighed. Dong Suebin sighed Cheng, then I will pack up and pack up, I will definitely arrive at 12. Don't worry, anyway, you drive there for 5 minutes and 10 minutes. Han Jingdao. Dong Suebin's villa is just around the Westford Ring Road, almost squatting with the old man's family, a few kilometers away. So Dong Suebin was not in a hurry to go out. Seeing that the sun was shining and the weather was very good today, I found a swimming trunk that I bought from the chalkboard for a long time, put a small air cushion on the air, and went downstairs with the air cushion. The swimming pool in the backyard, which is full of leaves and soil, is not very clean. After all, it has been useless for a long time. Dong Suebin simply cleaned it with the fastest speed and then filled the swimming pool with water. The water is very clear. The waves shimmer in the sun, very beautiful. Dong Suebin cold and white, and he plunged into the water for 2 rounds. Now he hadn't reached the hot day yet, nor is it the climate for outdoor swimming. Dong Suebin immediately feels colder and colder. Grab it down and climb up, so I lean on the air cushion and float it in the sun. It feels good. How much more comfortable you need to be more comfortable. Dong Suebin finally squinted his eyes and smoked a cigarette on the shore. He felt that his whole body was particularly relaxed. It was really good to enjoy life occasionally. Half an hour, 1 hour. The leisurely Dong Suebin fell asleep at the end, and when he opened his eyes again, he found that the sun had already reached the top of his head. Dong Suebin snorted and his body tilted from the air cushion and slammed into the water. Dong Suebin in the water, he poked his head. After 3 or 2 trips, he rushed to the shore and ran into the room to look at the watch. Well, it was 12:30. He quickly went to wear clothes and took things, and quickly drove to the old man. Is not this a delay? I just arrived at the wife's mother's appointment before 12 o'clock, which is how late it is. Not at all. Dong Suebin slammed the doorbell of the villa of the old man. The door opened, and Xie Jing opened the door. Sister, you are late. I know that I know, my mother. Grandpa. Dong Suebin went inside. Dayu is inside, Grandpa has finished eating and going to the building to take a nap. Xie Jing closed the door behind. In the living room, Han Jingzheng and Qi Lifen sat on the sofa and chatted. As for their 2 elders, Xie Guobang and Xie Gujian did not see it. It must be the unit to go to work, and then the tablet in the living room corner. Xie Hao, estimated to play the game, while playing his mouth and making a sound to match the action in the game, Dong Suebin came in and he didn't even look at it, and he played with himself. Mom, Dong Suebin sneered. Han Jing slammed him, look at yourself sometime. Dong Suebin was busy paying a smile, swim, and he fell asleep on the air cushion in the swimming pool. I am relying on me, what, and what? Qi Life sighed with a smile, yes, but it is leftovers. That is also my mother's fright, leftovers are better than the average hotel. Dong Suebin flattered. Han Jingle sighed a bit, this kid, this is a sweet mouth, okay, wash your hands and prepare to eat, Mom will give you a hot meal. Don't stop, you are sitting on my own. Dong Suebin went to the kitchen. Xie Jing sighed, I really invite my brother-in-law, I also want a private swimming pool. Qi Life sighed with a smile, let's have a family, so your brother-in-law has this treatment. Even the father has never lived in a villa with a swimming pool. This is true. They thank the family for not having no money, but they call not afford the villa. The public's current perception is that as long as they are rich in the official, they have to have several villas. There are a few cases, and money is not the right way. The political governance home family like this family has always been relatively clean, not to mention the salary of Han Jing and Qi Lifen, even if it is the level of Xie Guobang. 1 year's salary is afraid that there is no one-day bonus from Dong Suebin's 20% share in Zhang Ji's company. This is simply not comparable. As for the villas that the Xie family now live in, they are all separated or belonging to the family's home, the house is not even poorly owned, and there is no such thing as a swimming pool. The single-family villa with swimming pool is a commercial mansion. Soon, Dong Suebin came out with a hot dish of microwave oven. When he put it on the table, he called and wait to open it. He praised it while eating it. Sweet, too fragrant, delicious. Han Jingdao, slowly eat, no one will grab you, huh. Dong Suebin grinned, you can eat slowly, the more you eat, the more hungry you are. At this time, Xie Jing went to the bathroom to go to the bathroom. When Qi Feifan saw Xie Jing not, she chatted with Han Jing. Dayu, Xiaoran has to become a family. When my brother gets married, Xiao Jing is definitely going to be here soon. How do you say when we get it? 1 person 10 1. Is it a little less? Or else 200,000. Han Jingdao, let's discuss it again. Qi Li Fancy get, I am not in a hurry. Xie Hao heard that this kid is a financial fund, and he does not play games. So much, hey, I have to get married soon. Dong Suebin swallowed the meal in his mouth. How old you are, the legal age of Mariage has not arrived yet. Han Jing was also amused by Xie Hao, watching him say, when you get married, you dare to give you a big gift, okay. Xie Hao smiled, thank you for your big brother. Dong Suebin teased him, I will not give you when you get married. I rely on, how can I do my brother-in-law? Xie Hao was anxious. I will count on your money. If you give me less than 1 million, then I am sorry for you. Qi Lifen took a picture of his son's head. Where I have to give myself money? Xie Hao didn't listen. Sister husband, you can give me more points when you arrive. Yes, the last time you promised me to buy a car when I was admitted to Colege, I will have a Colege entrance exam in a few months. Don't forget. Petik 2. Dong Suebin bowed his head and sighed, have I said that? Tell it, my sister and my brother are listening. Xie Hao screamed. Dong Suebin yelled at him. I have been in the door for a long time. Your kid doesn't even say hello. If you don't see me, I will play your game. I will buy you a car. Xie Hao segera melunak, dan dengan cepat duduk dengan senyumnya dan duduk bersama Dong Suebin. Jangan kakak ipar, aku hanya tidak melihatmu masuk. Perhatiannya terlalu terkonsentrasi. Sekarang aku bisa menyapamu, apa, kami tidak ingin kembali ke barang-barang mobil. Xie Jing juga keluar dari kamar mandi dan tertawa bersama mereka. Saat ini, bel pintu berbunyi, dan Xie Jing segera bangkit dan membuka pintu, dan wajahnya tersenyum. Seharusnya orang tuaku kembali. Pintu terbuka, dan itu benar-benar pasangan Xie Guoliang dan Xia Yanzhen. Kemudian, Xieran juga masuk ke dalam rumah bersama, tetapi ekspresinya tampak sangat tidak nyaman. www.metalnovel.com, Dong Suebin belum selesai makan, melihat ke atas dan melihat ke masa lalu, tidak mengerti apa yang terjadi. Atau Han Jingdao, Guoliang, Yanzhen, ada apa dengan ini? Bukankah orang tua di kedua belah pihak bertemu untuk membahas pertunangan? Ini adalah acara yang membahagiakan, bagaimana ungkapan ini? Qi Lifen bertanya, apakah ada konflik dengan pihak ketiga? Xia Yanzhen menghela nafas, tidak. Itu, mereka bertobat. Han Jing bertanya. Xia Yanzhen berkata, tidak, hei, jangan sebutkan itu, orang tua Xiaoling terlalu berlebihan. Saya tidak bisa mengatakannya. Saya sakit perut. Saya mengatakan bahwa pernikahan ini tidak pantas. Xiaoran masih harus saya lakukan. Bu, kamu akan mengatakan lebih sedikit. Xieran tertekan. Guoliang. Han Jing menatapnya, bicara. Xie Guoliang makan dan berkata, ini masalah mahar.